Hello students, good morning. Today we will discuss about the phenol. Yesterday I had explained about the preparation of phenol. Preparation of phenol I had already explained to you that phenol can be prepared by the cumene, or it can be prepared from the benzene diazonium salt, or it can be prepared from the other way I had already told in the previous video. Today we will discuss about its physical property and chemical property. Regarding the physical properties, first we pick up the physical properties of the phenol. Physical properties of the phenol. First, pure phenol. I am just saying that it is when the pure phenol is crystalline. Phenol is white crystalline solid. Pure phenol is a white crystalline solid. I am saying that pure phenol. When it is pure, it is white in color and it is crystalline solid. Means true solid. There are two types of solid, crystalline and amorphous. But pure phenol is a crystalline solid. And regarding its solubility, as usual it is an aromatic compound. It is soluble in organic solvent. It is soluble in organic solvent. It is soluble in organic solvent. And next, about its nature, it is corrosive and toxic. Toxic and corrosive in nature. These are regarding the physical properties. Main points are regarding the physical properties of phenol. Now we take up the chemical properties. Regarding the chemical properties, phenol is acidic in nature. Phenol is acidic in nature. The compounds which are acidic in nature, as you know, they are acids are proton donor. Acids are proton donor. Means it can donate the proton. For example, when it reacts with the metal, this is phenol. When it reacts with the sodium metal, it will lose its proton to form sodium phenoxide. It will lose its proton to form the H2 gas. It is sodium phenoxide. You can balance the equation. It is a sodium phenoxide. You can balance it by doing this one and this one. Acids are proton donor. Phenol is donating the proton. That is why phenol is acidic. And second one is acid reacts with the base also. Phenol can react with the base, for example NaOH. Then it forms C6H5ONa plus H2O. C6H5ONa, and this water molecule is liberated out. In this case, phenol is behaving like the acid, and it is a base. It forms the sodium phenoxide. These reactions show the acidic nature of phenol. Apart from this one, I will explain the acidic nature of phenol in detail with the help of resonance. Regarding the acidic nature, phenol is weaker acid than the carboxylic Phenol is weaker acid than the carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid is stronger acid. Then we come to the carbonic acid. Then we can put phenol C6H5OH, and after that water molecule, then alcohol. This is a descending order of the acidic nature of the compound. Carboxylic acid is strongest, and alcohol are weakest among all these compounds. After that we come to the next reduction of phenol. Reduction of phenol. Reduction. When phenol is treated with, you can write, when phenol is heated with zinc dust. Phenol is zinc with zinc dust, then benzene is obtained. When phenol vapors of the phenol, you can say vapors of the phenol are treated with the zinc dust, then benzene is formed. Benzene is the product. Reaction is like this one. This is phenol. This is phenol. It is treated with zinc dust, and it is heated. It forms benzene and zinc oxide, ZNO, and this is benzene is obtained. This reaction is a very important reaction. This reaction is very important reaction. When phenol is heated with the zinc dust, it forms benzene, and reaction can be carried out. This reaction can be carried out with the help of, if zinc is not taken, we can use molybdenum oxide. We can use, if the phenol is treated with the hydrogen, with the presence of molybdenum oxide, then also benzene is obtained. Then also benzene is obtained. You can write the reaction in this way. This is phenol. And hydrogen, and we take molybdenum oxide and heat it, then again benzene is formed. Then again benzene is formed. Okay. Next reaction is reaction of phenol with the phosphorus pentachloride. Reaction of phenol with the phosphorus pentachloride. When phenol, this is phenol, reacts with phosphorus pentachloride, like the reaction in the alcohol, I already told you, this OH is displaced by the chlorine. Cl plus POCl3 plus HCl. This is chlorobenzene. This is phenol. When phenol reacts with the phosphorus pentachloride, it gives chlorobenzene and phosphoryl chloride. Its name is phosphoryl chloride. Now reaction with ammonia. Reaction of phenol with ammonia, then aniline is obtained. When phenol reacts write down in the copy. When phenol reacts with ammonia, it forms aniline. Reaction is like this one. This is phenol reacts with ammonia. It forms aniline. This is aniline, and side product will be water. It helps in the conversion of phenol into aniline.